Hello and welcome back to my channel Norina with decor, your favorite spot. A big hello to my amazing audience. I'm so happy to see you here again. Thank you so much for clicking this video. I hope you are doing great today. So guys, if you are new to here and you like my videos, then please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and make sure you press the bell icon so you don't miss any other amazing upload. This channel is all about wooden craft for home decor ideas in different styles, color combination and sizes. I love sharing new and easy ideas with you. Your support means a lot to me. Let's enjoy today's video together. I hope you will find something useful today. Please give this video a like if you enjoy it. Share your comments and they makes the smile. Let's keep trying and enjoy today's video together. Let's keep growing and learning together. You're not just a viewer, you're a part of my YouTube family. Thanks for spending your time with me. I make this video with a lot of love for you. Stay with me till the end of the video so you don't miss any other amazing designs. This channel is all about wooden beauty and simple decor ideas. If you love wood style and creativity, you are on the right place. In today's video, I'm talking about wooden craft with profitable projects ideas. Every piece of wood has a piece of story. Let's discover it together. I hope this video inspired you. For your own space, please give this video a like if you enjoy wooden art. Your support helps me create more for you. I like and I love reading your comments. Keep them coming. Simple wooden can beauty, warm beauty to any home. Let's make your space more cozy and charming. Stay with me till the end. I have something lovely to show you on daily basis. I bring new ideas from wood. You are a part of this YouTube family. Sit back, relax, and enjoy today's wooden creation. Wooden decor design, warmth, and natural beauty to any home. You don't need expensive items, just simple and a little creativity. Today, I will show you the most beautiful, latest, and trendy collection of wooden creativity ideas. And please, if you like any design, then please take the screenshot of it. And if you want more home decor ideas, you can please visit my channel and also do try my amazing wooden product and wooden projects at your home. Look, lovely wall shelves made of wood are not only useful but also stylish. You can also decorate a corner with a small wooden ladder and a stool. Please watch this video till the end. Thank you so much for spending your time with me, and thanks for those people who watch my video with the notification. I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Till then, please take care of yourself.